Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enlarge image on Messenger. So you have to just open your Messenger app on the your Android device or iPhone. So you simply just open the Messenger app. So you have to click the anyone of chat. I will open the random chat. So when it's open, you have to the top right corner. There is the blue sign. You have to click the blue sign, and there is you have to in the media you can choose anyone of pick. So where you can you see how to enlarge photo on Messenger. So use your fingertips to zoom in and use your fingertips to zoom out. So this is how to enlarge photo in Messenger. It's very simple on your fingertips. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.